Hello dear students, welcome back to the CLE's KK CBSE School Chikkodi, affiliated to New Delhi wide affiliation number 830981. I am Tariq Ammangi. This year going to teach you mathematics of class 8. So all of you have completed with the bridge course videos in the previous month. So this academic year 2021-2022 I am going to deal with your mathematics subject. So this is your cover page of mathematics. So mathematics textbook for class 8. So this is your cover page textbook, and in this one you are going to study in the introduction part, that is in your index part, that is your first chapter. You are going to deal with the rational numbers. Second chapter, that is you are going to deal with the linear equation in one variable, understanding quadrilaterals, practical geometry, data handling, square and square roots, cubes and cube roots, comparing quantities, algebraic expression and identities, visualizing solid shapes, mensuration, exponents and powers, direct and inverse proportion, factorization, introduction to graph, playing with numbers. So all these chapter you are going to study in this year. So see here all of you: rational numbers, data handling, square roots, cube roots, next comparing quantities, next you are having this playing with numbers. So all this is the arithmetic part, and next algebra part you are going to study, that is linear equation in one variable. Next you are going to study the algebraic identities and algebraic expressions, factorization and introduction to graphs. So these all chapters you are going to study in the algebra part, and also in the geometry part you are going to study with the practical geometry. Next you are going to study with your visualizing solid shapes, mensuration, and one more, that is, so all these chapters you are going to study in the geometry session. Okay, so in the rational numbers you are going to deal with the concepts of introduction part, rational numbers, definition of rational numbers. So last year you have studied in the class 7 with the fractions and decimals. So fraction, you know the definition: the numbers expressed in the form of a by b, where b is not equals to 0. And what are a and b? A and b are natural numbers. So in this section, in this year you are going to study the definition of rational numbers, difference between the rational numbers and irrational numbers, properties of rational numbers. In the properties of rational numbers you are going to study closure property, commutative property, associative property and distributive property. And special cases you are going to study, that is the role of 0, role of 1, negative of a number, reciprocal of a number. So all the concepts you are going to study this year. So this chapter is a linear equation in one variable. So in the linear equation in one variable you are going to study, that is introduction part, difference between the expression and equations and expressions, linear equation in one variable, solving linear equation with numbers on one side, solving linear equation with variables on both the sides, solving equations reducible to linear equation, and application of linear equation. So all these concepts you are going to study in the linear equation in one variable. Next, after that you are going to study the understanding quadrilaterals. In the understanding quadrilaterals you are going to study, that is introduction, polygons, quadrilaterals, properties of quadrilaterals, types of quadrilaterals. In the types of quadrilaterals you are going to study, that is parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus and square. So these all concepts you are going to study in the understanding quadrilaterals. Next you are going to study, that is squares, square and square roots. Next you are going to study in the form of square and square roots chapter, In the square and square root chapter, you are going to study, that is your first part, that is introduction, square numbers and perfect squares, properties of perfect squares, patterns with the perfect square, Pythagorean triplets, square roots, and also you are going to study the four methods, that is finding square roots, that is repeated subtraction method, prime factorization method, long division method. So all these chapters, all these concepts you are going to study in the squares and square roots. Next you are going to study, that is cubes and cube roots. In the cubes and cube roots you are going to study the introduction, what do you mean by definition of cubes, perfect cubes, properties of cubes, cube roots, finding cube roots by prime factorization method, finding cube roots by estimation method. So all these concepts you are going to study. Next you are going to study, that is, this is of cubes and cubes roots. Rational numbers we have seen, that is, and this chapter is a data handling. So data handling, all of you know, that is, data is a collection of information. In the data handling you are studying these all the concepts, that is the first part is introduction part, representing data, graphs. In the graphs you are going to study the four types of graphs, that is first graph is pictograph, next graph is bar graph, third graph is double bar graph, fourth is circle graph, means that is a pie chart. Okay, and also you are going to deal with the frequency distribution table, drawing circle graphs, probability. So all these concepts you are going to study, and also you are going to study with the algebraic expressions. Also you are going to deal with the algebraic expression. In the algebraic expression and identities you are going to study first one, that is introduction part, algebraic expression, that is, and also you are going to study the definition of terms, like and unlike terms, factors, coefficients, types of expression. The types of expression you are going to study monomial definition, binomial, trinomial and polynomial. And also you are going to deal with the addition and subtraction of expressions, multiplication of expression and identities. So all these concepts you are going to study in the algebraic expression and identities. Next you can see, that is the next chapter, that is visualizing solid shapes. In the visualizing solid shapes you are going to study, that is introduction, two-dimensional figures, three-dimensional figures, mapping space around us, faces, edges and vertices, polyhedrons, regular and irregular polyhedrons, concave and convex polyhedrons and Euler's formula. So all these concepts you are going to study in the visualizing solid shapes. Next you are having as, that is mensuration. In mensuration you are going to study, that is difference between the perimeter and area, the formulas of some of the shapes, square, rectangle. All you are going to study the formulas of perimeter versus area, and also trapezium, general quadrilateral, deriving the equation of area of general quadrilateral, deriving the area of trapezium, rhombus, polygon. So all these concepts you are going to study in the mensuration part. Next we are having the chapter as exponents and powers. In the exponents and powers you are going to study with the introduction, powers with the negative exponents, expanding decimal numbers, laws of exponents, smaller numbers in standard form, comparing very large numbers and very small numbers. So all these concepts you are going to study in the exponents chapter. Next we are having this as direct and indirect proportion. So in the direct and indirect proportion, first part you are going to study the direct and inverse proportion. In the direct and inverse proportion, first part, that is introduction part, definition of direct proportion, some of the problems on direct proportion, definition of inverse proportion, some of the problems on inverse proportion, and some of the problem solving methods. Is it a direct method or indirect method? So all these concepts you are going to study in this chapter. Next chapter you are having this as factorization. In the factorization you are going to study the introduction part, factorization, method of common factors, method of regrouping terms, factorization using term identities, factors of the form x plus a into x plus b. Next, in the division of algebraic expression, you are going to study monomial divided by monomial, polynomial divided by polynomial, polynomial divided by polynomial. So all these concepts you are going to study in the factorization part. Next part you are going to study, that is introduction to graphs. In the introduction to graphs, you are going to study introduction, bar graph, double bar graph, histogram, pie chart, line graph. So in the data handling also you are studying the same thing. With that you are going to study the histogram and line graph. So all these concepts will be covered in the introduction part of the graphs. Next one, your last topic, you are having this as playing with numbers. In the playing with numbers, you are going to study introduction, some trick with numbers, difference trick with numbers, letters for digits, how divisibility rules work. So all these concepts you are going to study in the playing with numbers, and these are the some concepts for this academic year for the mathematics class 8. So all these concepts you should going to solve this year. In the next video I am going to start with the detail with the first chapter, that is a rational number.